What did you all bring, Tiger, for us?
Yeah.
This guy doesn't even eat anything. Nothing he eats. Nothing. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. What's this girl?
He actually dressed to the airport. That's it.
So now where are we going?
Jordan.
Jordan. What are we doing in Jordan?
Love song.
Love song. I've already told what we are doing. It's a make-out scene plus love song plus crying. First trip with this girl. They're going to ski. We are in Jordan! It's a little cold, but it's really, really nice.
Tiger, what all do you have here?
This.
What did you all bring, Tiger?
Stuff that I don't
But you're carrying it for us.
because
Guys.
I'm a gentleman.
Yeah.
This guy doesn't even eat anything. Nothing he eats. Nothing. Look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
So Kim, how long is our drive?
I think 2 hours.
It's another 2 hours of drive. We reach Marriott. It's finished. Finished, no? Oh, finished. Alright, thank you. How are you? You're good? So this is my room for another 2 days. Well, are you ready?
Fully.
She came a day before us. Did you do shopping here?
I went for a spa. Nice hammam, Turkish.
Where is the spa? So Sonakshi is showing us.
I just did a lovely Dead Sea hammam spa.
Show us.
It was amazing. So that's
Oh my God. Whoa, girl! Finally we are done. Sonakshi, you killed it. Guys, it's day one.
Day
One in Jordan. Which song? What is this place known as?
Treasury of culture.
2000 years, imagine this. Thank you so much for bringing us to such a killer place. I love it. I love it. I'm shocked. So it's now Nidhi's first shot. People are standing there and Master G is asking them to leave. And Tiger are standing on the top and they are freezing. They're just freezing right now there. So they're coming down. How was it? Were you scared? This is what we do when we are so lazy to walk. And Nidhi was not ready to get in. I was so lazy.
But our ride is fun.
This is not done. Guys, he made me come out because I'm heavy. I'm heavy, I had to walk. So guys, now we're going to the second location of the day. It's freezing cold. I don't know how Nidhi and Tiger is doing it. So is it a wrap? Is it? I don't know, we are waiting for that bird. Sort of back up. Number one in Jordan is? Back up! Jordan, and how was it?
Just done.
Just done.
I'm feeling so hot.
You're feeling very hot? Ah, we know why it's very hot here. It's sun, right?
Exactly.
Coffee, eh?
It's like 40 degrees.
Guys, I did it. It was not easy to come from there, and it was really cool to do it because it was really, really high. And finally, I did it. First time in my life. Woo! Day 2 is over, and now it's day 3. Good morning, guys. There is Tiger's team. Everybody, Amit kidhar hai? Guys, day 3. It's a cold day. Let's start. Yeah! We just did that location and
Look.
it's raining and there's the perfect
Don't even take me.
location. All are sitting here and there are of course a gang of girls, and then there's Sonakshi who is just standing on Valentine's Day alone. There is Ram and Valentine's Day alone. Kim. Tiger's manager alone. There's Amit, who is also alone at Valentine's Day. This one though has too many girlfriends, so which country we don't know. Oh, there, my Valentines of the day. But look, you did it, girl.
Look in this cold, guys, it looks sunny, but believe me, I cold. You can see my goosebumps, that costume.
You know how lucky you are? Millions of girls are dreaming to do this.
That is true. Eating this thing.
Let me also have
Have
one.
some.
Very happy?
Very.
I am so extremely happy. This girl has really worked hard today.
This was the toughest day. You know, honestly, when I wanted to become an actress, I never thought that so much work goes into it. Believe me, it looks very easy. It looks all so rosy, but it's not.
It's not.
really not.
Look with whom I have served one more rocking love song in this Jordan. Jordan, exactly, sir. It's a backup. So we are right now in. I mean, what is this place? मैंने भूल गया. I always say Jodhpur, not Jodhpur. What is it?
Jordan.
Jordan.